super climber radio controlled car. It climbs on walls. I'm gonna get you.
Take it out, Sammy.
Okay. So.
Oh, it runs on USB. It's tiny.
Oh, I see it.
Here, get the batteries.
Yeah, I don't want spider. Whoa!
It's
a lot of
6
batteries.
AA batteries.
AA batteries.
Because we charge the spider from there. That's why you need a lot of batteries.
There's a cord to charge it.
Okay, so you can charge it from the remote control, or you can charge it on an adapter.
It's a screw
In
and
your
a
house.
screw. The screwy with the screwy in it. With
Here's
the
the
screwy.
spider.
With the screwy in it.
So the feet are like really light. It's not really solid plastic. Okay, you know it's charging because there's a small red LED light inside the spiders right there.
A small LED light.